got a 2015 Honda Accord. Today we're going to replace the remote key battery. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If we flip the remote over, there's this sliding switch right here. And we're going to slide to the right. Then we can pull the emergency key out of the bottom. Now once you get the key out, what we're going to do is we're going to split this remote in half. You can see the line that's in the middle of this remote. Well, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to go ahead and have the buttons facing up, and I'm going to stick it in here sideways like this. I'm just going to pry the remote to where it cracks open like that. I'm going to turn it back over with the buttons facing down. One thing to note is that once you open this thing up, these buttons will get loose and they can fall right out. So if you're doing it in the car like me, you don't want to drop them, okay? So there's all these spots that you can lose them in. All right, so just be really careful. All right, so I'm going to open it up. Like this, okay? Now we want to hold on to the remote, okay? This piece right here can come out, so we want to hold on to it like this. So, again, the buttons don't fall out. And use our flathead screwdriver to pry the battery out of the holder here. And it just comes right out like this. I can get a new one. I'll show you what size it is. Here's our new battery. It's going to be a CR2032, and notice that it has a positive sign here that will be facing outwards towards us, okay, when we go to stick it back in here. So it needs to go into the remote like this first, and then we just pop it in. All right, if you need to get a battery, check out in the description box. I'll have batteries, links for batteries down there. Take it to Amazon. Just get the back half of the remote, stick it on top, squeeze it together. All right, and it'll click and pop. And that's pretty much it. You just get the emergency key, stick it back in here, lock it in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.